The plant pictured here is Vitis vinifera, the grape. Grapes are a woody deciduous vine that can get up to 49 feet tall or long, as they tend to sort of grow horizontally after a certain point. The bark is fairly distinctive. It's brown in color and peels off in long, fibrous strips. Vitis vinifera has alternate leaf arrangement, but at each node, opposite the leaves, you typically find a tendril. And that's how grapes climb, by tendrils. The leaves of grapes are quite large, 3 to 5 inches long, and they do superficially look a bit like fig leaves because they are large, palmately lobed, palmately veined leaves. However, the teeth on the margin of Vitis vinifera are a bit more distinct. Usually there's dentate teeth along the leaf margin or lobes. The underside of the leaves of Vitis vinifera can be pubescent or tomatose, which is again like Ficus carica. However, you're just not going to be finding tendrils on Ficus carica, so even though superficially the leaves may look somewhat alike, those tendrils are a dead giveaway that it's a grape, not a fig. And of course, if you can see the whole form of the plant, you would notice that Vitis vinifera is a vine, whereas Ficus carica is a shrub. The flowers of grapes are not very showy, but they are in pendulous panicles, which eventually form the fruits. The fruits are ovoid in shape and bright green when they first start to form. And depending on the cultivar, they may stay green or turn a dark purplish or reddish color. In addition, ripe fruit will be covered with a glaucous coating as seen here, and hang down again in those pendulous panicles. So with that, we conclude our discussion of Vitis vinifera, the grape.